Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shammas Niazi, President of AlHussnain Seminary. AlHussnain Seminary was founded back in 2013 with the same mission that Maulana Tariq Jamil opened his seminary in Pakistan back in 1999, to produce scholars that could fluently speak the language of the Quran and spread love and peace through embodying the character of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We started with just 11 students back in 2013, and now we have more than 100 full-time boarding students with the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. For quite some time, we've been searching for a facility that we could call our new home, a facility that would serve as a community center, a K-12 school, and of course a facility that would house our current seminary. With the help of Allah, we have found a building that suits our needs. It is 139,000 square feet. It has a roof that is only 5 years old with a 20-year warranty, and it has classrooms already built. It has a commercial kitchen, a cafeteria, bathrooms for men and women, along with locker rooms and showers for men and women. It does not have a basketball court, however, but that is something that we want to add later on, inshallah ta'ala. The building is in pristine condition. It's been maintained very well by the previous owner. The price for this building is $8.97 million. We are selling the diesel generator that it has for $575,000 along with the UPS, and our agent is donating his commission of 3% to the school. This puts us at $8.13 million. We know that the Prophet ﷺ has mentioned in a hadith that when a man leaves this world, his deeds come to a halt, except for in 3 instances: a pious child that will pray for the deceased, knowledge that was disseminated, and charity that continues to benefit. This is our opportunity to leave a legacy that will far outlive any of us. We never know what investment will take off on the Day of Judgment. We must close on this building by the end of November. Please help us reach our goal of $8.13 million. Please help us achieve our goal. Spread the word to friends and family, and pitch in no matter the amount. No amount is insignificant in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every bit counts. Help us establish an institute of learning, peace, and love for generations to come. Jazakumullahu khairan. For more information about our seminary, please go to alhussnain.org.